Hello everyone, this is Thomas from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I will show you how to add polls to your Instagram story. Polls are a great feature to increase user engagement. Remember that the more engagement you get, the faster your Instagram account grows. If you see that your user engagement rate has dropped, just create a poll and ask your audience to vote. By default, answers to your question will be yes or no, but you can easily change those accordingly to your question. In general, users are really willing to participate in polls as it doesn't cost them anything and are really entertaining. So follow these steps to add poll to your Instagram story. First of all, go to your Instagram profile and tap on your profile picture at the top left corner of your screen to add a new story. Take a photo or just swipe left to create a new story. Tap on the sticker icon at the top of your screen. Select poll sticker. Now type in your question. Edit your answers if needed, just like this. Click on Done. Now you can place this sticker anywhere you want on your story. You can also resize it. And it's done. Now you can post it. I hope that you found this guide helpful and now know how to add polls to your Instagram story. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.